Let me know.
I'm starting right now.
How y'all doing? Tyrone Biggums. And I smoke rocks.
Well, he started.
I'm Tyrone Biggums. And I'm about to smoke some rocks. Hopefully.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Hello?
Hello?
Hi.
How y'all doing? Excuse me, I hate being bothered, but my name's Tyrone Biggums and I smoke crack. I need some spare change.
I don't have spare change for you, Derek.
No, I'm Tyrone. Who is this?
Get out of my room. I want to take a shower. I'm changing, you fucking crackhead.
I need crack. I need rocks.
What are you doing?
Can I see if this is legit? I
I need
need to do laundry.
change.
I need.
Hey, I got stiff for crackhead.
That's so terrible.
I'm ashamed.
How can you do this to a little old white girl?
Yeah.